Hello everyone! In this video, we will discuss the topic of teeth whitening, its advantages and disadvantages. Many people wish to achieve a whiter and brighter smile, and the color of teeth is influenced by the presence of external stains and internal shade. External discoloration can be caused by various factors, such as the use of tobacco products, including smoking, consumption of tin and iron salts, or the use of mouthwashes containing chlorhexidine. Additionally, beverages like red wine, black tea, coffee, and sports drinks, as well as stain-prone foods, contribute to discoloration. On the other hand, teeth discoloration can occur for various reasons, and it's important to distinguish between internal and external discoloration as treatments can vary significantly. Internal discoloration usually results from factors affecting the internal structure of the tooth. This can include the use of medications in childhood, early life diseases or infections, and dental traumas affecting the dental pulp. Treating internal discoloration can be more complex and often requires specialized methods to achieve a brighter dental luminosity. Conversely, external discoloration affects the tooth surface and can be caused by factors such as the consumption of pigmented foods or beverages, smoking, poor oral hygiene, and the natural aging of teeth. The treatment of external discoloration typically involves simpler options, such as the use of at-home teeth whitening pastes or professional cleanings performed by the dentist. It is important to consult a dentist to determine the cause of teeth discoloration and receive specific guidance on the appropriate treatment. Treatments can range from teeth whitening for surface discolorations to more advanced procedures like the use of veneers or dental crowns for internal discolorations. The dental healthcare professional can recommend the best approach based on each patient's individual case. There are several approaches to removing teeth stains, and the four most popular teeth whitening procedures are in-office whitening, at-home whitening treatment with dentist supervision, the use of teeth whitening products and other home options, and porcelain veneers. In-office whitening can be advantageous due to the speed and durability of the results. Often, only a few sessions are needed to achieve the desired whitening, thanks to the high concentration of hydrogen peroxide in the applied products. Additionally, the use of light during the procedure by the dentist can accelerate the process. On the other hand, at-home whitening treatment under professional supervision involves the use of custom mouth molds, in which the patient applies a gel and uses the tray for a specific period daily, following the dentist's instructions. Over-the-counter teeth whitening products, unlike professional products, contain less carbamide peroxide, which can result in a slower process. These products include whitening toothpaste and whitening strips, which can be effective with repeated use. In cases of intrinsic discoloration or deep stains that do not respond to traditional treatments, porcelain veneers are a viable option. These thin, custom-made porcelain sheets are bonded to the tooth surface, providing a white and natural smile. Now, let's explore the advantages of teeth whitening. Firstly, there's the improvement in appearance. The desire for a whiter smile is the primary motivation for many. Teeth whitening can eliminate stains caused by smoking, the consumption of certain foods and beverages, providing a brighter smile. Secondly, teeth whitening can boost self-confidence, as whiter teeth tend to be more attractive. This can enhance your personal and professional confidence. Thirdly, the procedure is safe when done correctly by professionals. However, it's important to note that over-the-counter products can be harmful to teeth and gums. Therefore, it's advisable to consult a dentist to choose the best treatment. Lastly, results can be immediate. At-home whitening kits are easy to use and can provide significant results in a short time. Professional whitening can also offer remarkable results in a short period. Now let's discuss the disadvantages of teeth whitening. Although the risk of adverse effects is low when performed under proper supervision, it's important to be aware of some common side effects. Dental sensitivity is a common side effect of teeth whitening, both in at-home treatments and in-office procedures. This sensitivity is usually caused by the temporary exposure of the tooth's more sensitive layers due to the whitening process. While sensitivity can be uncomfortable, it's important to remember that it is generally temporary and tends to decrease after the treatment is completed. Another disadvantage is the potential irritation of the gums caused by potent whitening agents. Fortunately, this irritation tends to subside within a few days. It's important to highlight that teeth whitening is not effective for all types of discoloration, such as stains caused by medications in childhood, injuries, or excessive exposure to fluoride. Additionally, crowns, fillings, and dental veneers may not whiten properly. Lastly, it's important to note that teeth whitening offers temporary results, and the duration of these results can vary depending on lifestyle habits and maintenance after treatment. In fact, if the previous habits that cause teeth discoloration are maintained, it's possible for discoloration to return sooner or later. The longevity of teeth whitening results is influenced by various factors, including dietary habits. Frequent consumption of pigmented foods and beverages like coffee, tea, red wine, sodas, tomato sauce, and tobacco can stain teeth more quickly. Oral hygiene. Maintaining good oral hygiene, including proper brushing and regular flossing, can help prolong the results of whitening. Regular dental care. Regular dental checkups for professional cleanings and checkups can help maintain white and healthy teeth. Maintenance products. Using maintenance products such as whitening toothpaste or touch-up kits recommended by the dentist can help extend the duration of whitening. Avoiding harmful habits. Avoiding tobacco use and reducing the intake of teeth-staining foods and beverages can help maintain results for a longer period. In general, it's essential to understand that teeth whitening is not a permanent treatment, and maintenance is required to keep a white smile. If you are considering teeth whitening, it's important to discuss your goals and expectations with a dentist who can provide guidance on the best maintenance practices to preserve the results for a longer time. In summary, teeth whitening is a safe and effective option for improving the appearance of your smile, providing greater self-confidence. However, it's important to understand the potential disadvantages and consult a dentist to choose the most suitable treatment. We hope you have enjoyed this video. Please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next video.